What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a NASCAR Diecast haul and unboxing. I've got some packages here that I've been saving up for the last week or two for a video like this. This is going to be a big time haul with some really rare diecasts that I've had on my list for an extremely long time, and we're going to get into it one by one, starting with this box. It's kind of a blind opening. I mean, I know what I've got coming, but I'm not sure which box is which, so we'll do it together. Okay, so this one, first up, is Kevin Harvick's 2014 Hunt Brothers Pizza number 5 for the Nationwide Series. And a lot of these cars that I've picked and chosen have a reason behind it. So this very niche reason that I want this car is because this is the car driver scheme that Chase Elliott passed at Texas in 2014 to get his first ever Nationwide Series win. He zoomed by this exact car, driver, scheme. So at the time, of course, this was a teammate, the Junior Motorsports 5 and the Junior Motorsports number 9. So I thought it'd be cool to get this one just because that race means a lot as a Chase Elliott guy. His first ever nationwide win. So pretty cool. So we'll move on to the next one right here and right now. Alright, so for the sake of this video, I knew which box this was, and I wanted to show it next on purpose because, holy grail, Chase Elliott's Nationwide Series win from Texas, the race I was just talking about, 1/24th scale, really expensive nowadays, and it was just time to pull the trigger. So let me get this out and show it off because it definitely deserves it. Alright, so here it is, the box. As far as 1/24s go, it's got a pretty special box. It's not really the standard one they used to do back then. Chase Elliott race winner, picture of the car, picture of him from Victory Lane, picture of another Victory Lane photo, and then I guess after the burnout there. And of course on the back, I thought this was pretty cool because it's got him and his boss back then, Dale Jr., that was also in that race. So a pretty cool box on top of being his first career nationwide win. So let me hop this out of the box and show it off too. All right, here we are. There's the winner card. First nationwide win. And here's the beaut. Bunch of build-up on the front. Blown out rear tire. I love it. I love it. Can't wait to go down the list of his nationwide wins and try to get them all. They're all really expensive now. Hard to come by. But I'm going in order. So first career win, Texas 2014. All right, next one up. This is back to just kind of box by box, not knowing what's inside really. Let's see what we got. So this one I think just has this one. Jeff Burton 2013 Caterpillar number 31 for RCR, the Chevrolet. There could end up being a theme of this video year-wise because I'm pretty sure a bunch of these are going to be the same year. So I was just in a mood, I guess, when I went through all these purchases because 2013 might be popping back up soon. We'll move on to the next one. All right, next up, we've got a bag to see what's inside. Oh my God. Bubble wrapped too. Uh-oh. That theme is proving true so far already. Jeff Burton 2013 Utility number 31 for RCR. I was just feeling the Jeff Burton 2013 when I went through these. purchases, I guess. So there's another one pretty cool. On to the next. All right, we are on to the next. Any guesses? Any guesses? Uh-oh. Let's do it this way. Any guesses now? Tony Stewart's 2008 Home Depot and Subway number 20. I believe 2008. Let's see if I can find a way to get it out of here. Ooh, tape. Ow. All right. So here we are. It is the 2008 Subway number 20 for Tony Stewart. It's a pretty famous scheme, if you ask me, just because of the very controversial win that this car had at Talladega, pushing Regan Smith below the double yellow line, causing Stewart to win, which I think, in my opinion, is wrong. I think Regan Smith was forced down there and should have been the winner. But here we are. I love this scheme anyways. So here it is in the collection for the first time in my diecast collecting career. On to the next. Alright, next up. I saved the last few boxes for last on purpose because I'm pretty sure the last few boxes are multiple cars. So in their self, there might be more than 2 or 3 cars. So let's see what we can find in this one first. They might be individually wrapped, so let's see. Okay, there's 2 in here. So we'll see what we can find. Jeff Burton, 2013. This is the Air Gas Bulwark, number 31. So the third Jeff Burton 2013 car of the video. And that guy was packed in with this guy. Trevor Bayne's Pillow Pet number 6. 2013 Mustang Nationwide Series. Pillow Pets number 6. Love this pink, love this car, so here it is. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, this one's by itself. And it is Jimmy Johnson's 2014 Lowe's It's Spring. This is another one with a very niche reasoning behind it. This scheme was raced at the 2014 Talladega Spring Race and caused a big one. So that's why it's here. This scheme got loose and caused the big one in turn 3 and 4. So I remembered that fondly for some reason and decided, hey, why not get the scheme? Boom. Next, let's see. I think we got, last 2 packed in here together. Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s number 88. This is National Guard. Let's see what they call it. Camo 2013 again. So a crap ton of 2013s in the video. 2013 National Guard Camo number 88. Love it, love it. And then there's one more. David Reagan's number 55 from the SpongeBob SquarePants 400. Aaron's SpongeBob Toyota Camry. I love SpongeBob, but I love David Reagan. He's one of those random guys that I've always liked and wish he could have accomplished a little bit more. Good career, nothing bad, nothing wrong with it, but wish he could have been a little bit better. But that is the next box up, and we got a few left. Let's get it. All right. If I'm not mistaken, this box should also have 5 cars in it. Could be wrong, but I'm thinking, let's see. So we'll move. Whoa. Bunch of packing penis. Okay, so it looks like it's not 5, it's 3. That's right, that's right. Okay, so this is right. And this is some more really rare ones. Let's see what I can do with this bubble wrap. Okay, so it's just basically ripped. All right, first up, Matt Kenseth, number 20. This is Dollar General Pink from 2013. No box. This is a loose one, but in really good shape. Packed well, so I don't mind. Really cool. So this one falls in line with that 2013 season that I must really love, because this whole video has been littered with those cars, and this is no different. There's another one in this box, but it will not be the next one up, because the next one up is actually Brad Keselowski's Reds Apple Ale. This is the Loudon win from 2014. Loose again, but still on the base. Pretty cool. Really good looking scheme as is, but bonus for being race winning detail with confetti. So I love it and glad to have it. But last one, once again, here we are. 2013 Jeff Gordon's AARP NASCAR Salutes or Patriotic scheme. If you're a returning fan of the channel, almost all these haul videos or diecast hunt videos, I say, anytime I can get a Jeff Gordon car that I don't have already, it's a good day. And this is a perfect example. For some odd reason, I don't have it until just now. Same goes with Chase Elliott, of course, earlier in the video. Coming up finally around to those 124s for his nationwide wins. Really hard to get, but whoa. Checking off the boxes for both my guys, Jeff Gordon, Chase Elliott. And we've got one more box, and it will also be some pretty cool and rare diecast for this guy right here. So let's do it. All right, the last box and the last 2 diecast of the video. They're both going to be Jeff Gordon. You can see the back of one here. Let's see if I can pull it out. And I'm trying not to spoil the very last one. I'm just going to take it right now because I think it's the coolest one of the video. So let's get this out of the way and then flip this to show. It is the 2004 DuPont Jeff Gordon. This is the 164 crew cab and open trailer with the 164 2004 version. You got Pepsi, you got Lay's on there, DuPont of course. So I thought this was a pretty cool set. And again, Jeff Gordon diecast I don't have. Of course I've got this, but I don't have the set. And that brings us to our very last diecast of the video. And I kind of saved it for last on purpose because I think it's the coolest. It's the rarest. It's one of those $100 164s that I just bit the bullet on because it was time. We've got the Jeff Gordon DuPont Retro 2009 number 24. The Pepsi Challenger, I believe it's called. The 2009 24 car. Raced at Talladega for about, I don't know, 30 laps, give or take, and then got wrecked out. Pretty sure it came back out with the hood missing or half the car gone just to get some points. So this scheme didn't make it too far, but goodness gracious, if it's not a rare diecast and a gorgeous throwback scheme. So it's a sick one to end the video on. And I'm glad I can finally get it. But that will wrap this up. Please like this video, leave a comment on what you liked the best from the video, and subscribe for more. Thank you guys for checking this one out, and I'll catch you in the next one.